Start recording. Get that going. All right. I missed my fill. That's okay. I'm gonna put my stop above this SMT high right here. Buy stop. And just looking to run this thing down. We've got, well, I'll show you guys a couple things, but I think we could run to the opening range gap. So opening range gap, toggling on regular trading hours. Looks like this. So we got opening range gap right down here, right at market open. So I'd like to take this down to opening range low, opening range gap high. That's kind of my target on this. But I thought it was worth taking a stab short. Once we got this displacement down here on the 30-second chart, fair value gap, market structure shift, SMT at the highs, and buy side swept already. So stab numero uno. If we break structure, I'll go risk free. I do want to be kind of defensive with my stop loss today, just because we do have now that we've pushed up overnight. I mean, we are getting somewhat close to those daily levels of buy side as well. So we'd like us to be defensive if we can get in that position to do so. Kind of created a little bit more prominent SMT during our trade. Getting some movement down in our favor now. We need this to follow through and hold. Got a bearish gap here on the 30-second. And on the 1 minute up there as well. Stop above. Originally this high, moved it down to here. Now we're getting that sell off. Very nice, folks. Very nice, folks. All right, we can go risk free now. I'm gonna buy back one contract right now. I'm on the Express 100K. Boom, just hit this fair value gap. That's a good TP one. Right there. Bada bing, bada boom. You guys didn't believe they didn't believe in us. God did. No, I'm just kidding. Risk free, took a partial. See if we can get some follow through now. Obviously, price could come all the way back, and we got fair value gaps on fair value gaps in here now. But it's all good. There's still buy side above price, so I think we're better off taking some profit from what we got, if anything, and then just going risk free. I don't think keeping risk on right now is a good idea with the buy side looming. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to close this. There we go. Boom. Just closed it. How about it? Wow. All right. Have a good day, guys. Peace out. Just kidding. The best longs and the best longs are in discount. The best shorts are in premium. Like it's like a simple little thing, simple little nugget, but it's probably going to be the thing that helps most people. Is I'm never going to short in discount, and I'm never going to long in premium. Regular trading hours, this is what we look like. Forgive all the I'm going to delete this fib. Forgive all the drawings, but this was the 2 to 2.5 right here that I was talking about. From the 15-minute time frame, marked it up from, I guess I got to put this back on to show you. Marked it up from yesterday's price action. If you guys remember yesterday's sweep of sell-side liquidity at London, right here. And this is actually why we missed this long opportunity, because this was kind of covering up this breaker when I was just like zooming around and taking a peek at things. My eyes didn't catch this right away. But so from this last manipulation down, swing low to swing high, take your fib. Where's the 2 to 2.5 standard deviation line up? Oh, would you looky there? We have it lining up with this buy side liquidity from, we had something this day. Some news event happened this day on the 22nd, last Wednesday. But took that buy side out, created SMT at the highs, right above 2 to 2.5 standard deviation, and that was where I got that from. But wow, we are dumping here. But here we are. 1 hour gap that we're hitting. Toggling this regular trading hours back on. The thing that I want to mark is the opening range gap high and low, and obviously we'll be able to see this consequent encroachment. I'm gonna make it gray, and I'm gonna make it really subtle, so it's not so hard on our eyeballs. Going back to electronic trading hours. So this gray box opening range gap, this dotted line is the consequent encroachment of that, kind of at the low end of that 1 hour gap. You know, this is really the area where I'm now more comfortable looking for long opportunities if they show up. Now, I'm not going to try to pick a bottom. I'm not going to try to catch a falling knife if that's what this ends up being today. Already caught a great move, and to be honest, that's already enough. But I'd be open to, again, if we get a good opportunity inside of this range to go long, I will gladly do so. OTE, opening range gap near the consequent encroachment. 1 hour gap. Let's start scaling in. 5 minutes. Seeing if anything's on it yet. Nope. 1 minute. Possibly stay alert, stay ready. I would say if you already took a trade, the first trade, and you're happy with it, you know, you can watch or go low risk. I definitely wouldn't. I wouldn't put all your profit on the line. If anything, I would, like I said, cut some risk down, if anything. But I am viewing this as that potential bullish order block that I'm thinking we'll get long from. Ideally, we'd form a fair value gap over the top. It's just going to go off the bodies of the candles here. Alright, so I'm going to get ready here to get long. We do have a little 1 minute gap here. Oops, wrong one. And I'm thinking I might do stop right here. It actually ends up being a pretty tight stop. That's a 100-point move back up. That's so funny. So I'll be able to do 2 cons again. Literally, like, just 50 bucks over 1/4% risk. But if this hits, this will be... I put a buy limit on already, guys, so you guys can do so as well. We should be fine. This candle should close in 5 seconds and keep the gap open. Wow. That'd be nice. I'm probably going to do 1 contract. I'll do a partial, like, halfway up. Inside these inefficiencies, I'll mark up equilibrium and go off of that. We'll just do this last leg down. Yeah, that's good. But we'll have a nice tight stop. Risk just ever so gently. There we go. I got picked up. How about it? So yeah, if we break structure again, guys, to the upside, I'm going to go risk free. And if I get stopped out, I'm going to be done for the day. All right, I guess. Holy fuck. Well, there you go. With that, guys, enjoy the rest of your guys' hump day. Enjoy your Wednesday. And I'm going to be off charts. If you need anything, though, feel free to drop a message personally or in the Discord. And I will see you guys on the live session tomorrow morning. Enjoy your day, everybody. Have a good one.